Okay, in this video we're going to assemble the wheels for your Autobot. These may come assembled for you, but I'm going to show you the complete assembly depending on how you receive the parts. So what we have, two wheels. These are basically two pieces of 1/8 inch plywood which have been glued together to make a wheel. And we have these rubber bands. These are actually, you may recognize these. These are pieces cut from a bicycle inner tube. They make really good rubber bands. They last quite a long time, don't crack easily as rubber bands that you may find in the store. They're also, you can cut them any size you want. They work really well. We're going to put those around the outside of the wheel for traction. And we have hubs. These hubs are basically the servo arms that came with the servos, which have been modified slightly. Two of the holes have been enlarged. These hubs go into the wheels like so. And we have two nuts for each hub. These are 256 short screws with corresponding nuts. And then we have two other screws which connect the wheel to the axle on the actual robot here. So basically, to assemble these, the hub goes in. You can see the hub has a longer side to the actual hub itself. That we want to be out, facing out. Just line up the holes. There's two of the holes are bigger. And then I'm going to put the nuts in from the outside, or the screws. Okay, nut on that. Hold it with my finger and just, again, go in reverse, counterclockwise and then clockwise. A lot of times will help the nut get engaged more quickly. The other screw, okay, hold the nut with my finger, and then a couple of turns counterclockwise and then clockwise, and it engages immediately. Okay, so that's one wheel. Let's do the other one. Same thing. So the longer side of the hub faces out. Screw in from the outside. Back that up with a nut. Hold it with my finger. Couple of turns counterclockwise and then clockwise, and the screw gate engages right away. Okay, last screw on the wheels. A little finagling to get it in there. Maybe if it doesn't go through the hole, you may need to just screw it in a little bit to get it started. The nut on the back there. Couple turns counterclockwise and then clockwise to engage that nut. Okay, so that's the wheels. Now we're going to put the rubber bands on. This takes a little bit of effort. So basically, I need to stretch the rubber band over the wheel, and I hold it with two hands like that. And try to get that all the way over. Okay, First try didn't work, try again. Okay, and then I can just move the rubber band around a little bit to make it more even. This one's a little bit bigger than the other one. Okay. Let's do the other one. That over. Takes a little bit of work to get these on, but you only have to do it once, so. Okay. Now let's mount these on the Autobot. So basically here what we need to do is, you'll notice that the hub has some splines inside here. Those are going to fit over the axle, and what I do is I want to make sure I line up the splines. I just don't want to jam the wheel on. You can, if you give a little bit of wiggle, it'll engage the splines, and then you can just push gently like that. And then you don't have to push it down all the way. Let the screw that you're going to put the mounting screw on, let the mounting screw do the work of pushing down the hub the rest of the way, the wheel. Just going to screw that in, and you can, so that's how you do that. And you can go all the way until it's good and tight. Same with the other side. Just engage the splines, and then put the screw in for the top, and let the screw do the work of getting the wheel completely engaged into the axle. The axle is metal, so when you tighten it up enough so it's reasonably tight. And that's it.